If they wanted to talk to you, they would. If they wanted to see you, they'd be here. Stop chasing people who don't choose you. Have you noticed it's always you reaching out? You giving more, explaining more, hurting more? It's not just one person. It's a pattern, and patterns don't break until you do. You deserve to be chosen, not tolerated. If you're constantly proving your worth, it's not love, it's emotional survival. Love is energy, and energy must flow both ways. If you're the only one showing up, it's not love, it's imbalance, and it drains you. Often we confuse attachment with connection. We hold on just to not be alone. If you feel like you're always explaining yourself, you're in the wrong relationship. Pretending it's fine just to keep someone around is emotional self-sabotage. You don't need to perform to be loved. You need peace to heal. Letting go isn't weakness, it's wisdom. When you choose yourself, you stop begging for crumbs. Real connections feel mutual. You don't chase them, you attract them. Healthy love doesn't feel confusing. It shows up with consistent effort. It thrives on open communication. It's built on mutual respect. And most importantly, it feels safe. This is love, not perfect, but real. Choose peace over pleasing. Let go of what's heavy. You deserve love that chooses you back. You're not too much. You're not too hard to love. You've just been giving your heart to the wrong hands, but not anymore. You don't have to chase, beg, or break to be loved. The right people will find you when you finally find yourself. So stop running after those who never turn around and start walking toward the version of you who never has to. If this video resonated with you, even a little, tap that like button. It helps others discover the healing too. And if you're on a journey of growth, self-love, and emotional clarity, subscribe to The Growth Theory. Until next time, keep growing, and remember, you've got the controller to your life.